A-list, welcome aboard.
Well guys, we made it to the airport again.
We're now ready for family.
On time, headed to Florida. Again. Same time actually, right?
Yeah.
Literally like the same time as last year.
We didn't plan that.
Was not planned. Pretty gloomy day. Alright guys, we made it. Alright guys, so after going in the wrong direction, we retracked our steps, found our Turo car, which by the way, if you are traveling, this is the best way to go. T-U-R-O, I think. We're cruising in style, you know, Ford Focus, riding dirty. But yeah, so we're here, we made it, Tampa. Barbecue. First stop's always food. That's what's left. I was so hungry I didn't even record it. I just ate it. That's a big surprise. It's pretty good though. Check it out.
We made it to our Airbnb. It's so cute. People are so nice to own it.
Whoa!
Look at this cute barn door. Show them the barn door. Look how adorable this barn door is.
Pretty sweet.
This is the type of linoleum flooring I like. I think these are the ones that like snap in together.
So pretty sweet.
Yeah.
So we made it.
It's super cute in here.
Now it's time to fill that up.
What should we do? Shower and go?
Alright guys, got back some fruit, some avocados, naners, whole wheat. This is key guys, sugar free. Never had these before, but I'm gonna need something to eat, to snack on. Big ass spaghetti, some Kodiak cakes. I got some gluten-free oatmeal for myself. And then, you know, we had to go stock up a little bit. Always gotta have pomegranate juice on hand. Essential for gains. I think that about wraps up our first day. I'm pretty tired. So the reason that we're here is because I am going to a 3-day seminar with Coach Eugene and Joe Bennett, otherwise known as the Hypertrophy coach. So I'm gonna learn, maybe make those bigger. And then, so that's tomorrow, Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday. And then we also took Monday, Tuesday. So we're turning it into business education / vacation. So I'm gonna bring you along the rest of the way. So I hope you keep watching. I hope you enjoy this video. Peace and love. Nope.
We're redecorating our house.
I can't build anything, so I don't know. Who's gonna build that for us?
Redesigning. You don't have to build anything.
Oh. Perfect.
Just cut things in different spots.
I can hardly use a screwdriver, so. Morning. Got my 3 eggs, gluten-free oatmeal, Friday, first day of the class. I'm hype. Headed to class. last day.
Not in Florida.
No, not in Florida. Oh my.
Last day of your training.
Oh my training. Leg day.
We're gonna eat some good sushi after.
Not gonna lie, been super sore every single day. I think I almost OD'd on pre-workout yesterday. Didn't feel very good. Won't do that again. Last workout sesh.
Deflation. Okay. You want to get both happening at the same time. Yeah. And then when you start back here, your first is really deep.
We out here, Treasure Island, you know, doing our thing.
Watch out.
What's up, guys? Tuesday morning, we're going sea kayaking.
Hopefully we see some dolphins,
Yep.
manatees, maybe a shark.
Got my sun shirt on. No sharks.
I'm gonna push man if we see a shark.
But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna try and get some footage. We'll see, because we'll be in the ocean. But we're going to an island, so I think I can take it out and record. But yeah, that's what we're doing today.
And we're off.
We're off. Wisconsin.
It actually feels pretty good. Probably some wind blockage, right?
Well, do you know where you're going?
Duh.
Oh, do ya? I don't believe that for a second.
Oh.
Need some chapstick?
Yeah.
For your crusty lips? I'm joking.
Alright guys, we're off. Headed to the airport.
I don't want to go. I don't want to go back.
Just sitting here waiting.
For pictures.
Hey, get with the times. You're uploading one at a time.
Yeah, and I get them.
Intersection in the main area. Mr. Christopher Barlow, facing an agent.